Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel English with Bhavana. So in the last class we did subject and verb agreement. We did 1 to 5 rules and today we'll go for the next 6 to 10 rules. So I'm breaking down this topic to subtopics only because so that you understand well. Rules are really important, believe me, it's really very important. If you know rules clearly, you won't make any mistake. Chances are actually even chances are very less, and I can say there are no chances of making mistakes. Okay, so if you really want to score well, score full in your grammar, and also you want to improve your spoken language, you need to know us the rules for subject verb agreement. So let's get started today without wasting any time now. So the rule starts from rule number 6. We have already done 1 to 5. Those who have not watched my video of 1 to 5 rules, you can watch after this as well. Don't worry. Just you have to click on the link above and you will get the video of my subject verb agreement rule 1 to 5. Now, so the rule number 6 says that when the words like everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, no one, someone, somebody, nobody. Now, if you have noticed with these words, there are suffix, and the suffix are what? Body or one. So, in short, this is a tip, this is a trick which you will remember very well, and it would be really easy for you to perform well in your exams as well and score well. Whenever you find suffix like body or one, then what you have to use? You have to use verb always singular. Okay, with the word suffix. Okay, body one, then you have to use the verb always singular. Now, example, everybody has same issues. Now, if I say everybody has same issue is wrong English. Everybody has some issues. I don't know if anybody is coming today. I will not say I don't know if anybody are coming today. That is wrong English again. So anybody. So what is the suffix body? As I said, your body is the suffix. Then what do you have to use? Singular verb. So when the words like everybody, everyone, anyone, anybody, no one, someone, somebody, nobody, then we have to use suffix. This is a trick. Please do remember this is a hack so that you perform well in your exam. You don't get confused. It's very simple. Interesting rules we'll be learning today. So please remember and pay attention. I don't know why someone has problem always. So I'm talking about a particular person. I'm talking like I don't know why someone has problem. I cannot say why someone has have problem because over here I'm talking about home. Someone I also don't know, and also someone we will refer to one person. Are you understanding? And at the last, obviously, the golden rule, the golden hack which I have given you, one is a suffix if you see. So someone word is there, so we will be using singular verb. So what singular verb is has, plural verb is have. Singular verb is, plural verb is have. Okay, let's move to the next one. Rule number 7. When the words like both of, a few of, many, several, such words are used. Now that time you use always plural. Why? Now very simple hack over here. Both of, a few of, many, several, such words are always greater than one. Always greater than one. So if it's greater than one, it's a simple rule that we use. Subject is plural, we are using verb is plural. Simple as that. Okay. So both. More than one हो गया. A few of them, again more than one. Many of my neighbor, again more than one. So that is the reason the verb will be always plural. Okay, both of them is नहीं बोल सकते over here because there are two nouns, one plus one, two. Okay, both of them are in same train. A few of them are coming tonight. A few of them is coming tonight is wrong English because there are more than one person we are talking about. Okay, many of my neighbors. So again neighbors is plural. Okay, and many of them. So many of them is again more than one person we are talking about. So it should be verb should be plural only. So I hope you are clear with rule number 6 and 7. Let's let's go to the rule number 8 now. The rule number 8 says the words like people, children, women, mice, always, always plural. Why? And these are called as what? The words such as people, children, women, mice, feet are what? Are known as irregular. If you have heard about irregular verbs also, these are what? Irregular subjects over here, nouns, irregular nouns over here. Okay, so what is it? Now, if it's singular, now people we say as plural. What will be the singular? We say person. Children is again plural. Women is plural. And what would be the singular? I will say WOMAN. If I'm talking about one. My singular would be what? Mouse. Are you understanding? Fit singular will be what? Foot. So irregular noun subject these are. Okay, that is also we say irregular verb. If you remember, those who are not having the same pattern of ed ending, that. So over here you will always use plural. Now use one more thing over here. Think. It's more than one. It's more than one. Already the subject is plural. So verb is plural. Simple as that. Irregular it is. So our children are well behaved. People are facing a lot of power cut problems. My feet are cold. Okay, you cannot say my feet is cold. Okay, if you're talking about single, then you will say my foot. My foot is cold. Okay, yeah, if you're saying people, then people includes many of them, not only. Okay, when I'm saying our children, so it's already it's more than one child I'm talking about. So I hope you have understood that rule number 8 applies plural. Why? Because it's irregular plural subjects and also it's more than one, as we know the golden hack now. So we will be using plural verb. Let's go to the rule number 9. Now, rule number 9 says what? When the words like club, team, family, army, such words are there, that time we use what? We use singular verb. Even though it's more than one, but such words are known as collective noun. If you remember in your lower grades also, you might have learned, right? So you used to get a question like what? For example, dash of lions. So what you used to write? The pride of lions, right? So that's what. Even though it's plural, the lions is plural, but it is considered as one. It is considered as one in collective noun. Like for example, family. Family, there are members. So though there are members, but when you're using a word family, it is considered collective noun. It is considered as singular. So that is the reason we will use singular verb. Okay, but when I'm telling my family members, so that time we will be using plural verb because I'm mentioning the word members. But when I'm just saying my family, then I won't be using plural verb. I will be using singular verb because I'm talking about collective noun. So over here, hack is what? Whenever there is a collective noun, you have to use singular verb. These subjects are also singular even though they're talking about a group of people. For example, my family is facing problem because of her. Okay, so this family might be my family might be having 2 members, 3 members. So I'm talking as a collective noun over here, and so that is the reason I will use singular verb. My family is facing problem because of her. The cricket team has a new match. You never say that India are playing a game. You never say that, right? Indian cricket team are playing a game. You say Indian cricket team is playing a game. So because it is a collective noun, one, okay, it is representing a particular country, India. So it is a collective noun over here. Again, the cricket team has a new match. You cannot say have a new match because it's singular collective. Okay, their army was present there. The club has overcome its problem. So it is what? It is collective noun and we are using singular verb. I hope you have understood. Let's move to the last rule for the day. The rule number 10. Most of you make mistakes over here only. But let me give you a hack for this as well. When the words like half of, a third of, 50%, some, most, such words come now, that time you should always see the subject. Always see the subject after that. If the subject is singular, you will use singular verb. If the subject is plural, you will use plural verb. Always remember, it's very easy act. You will never ever make a mistake. Okay, so let's check our this. According to the hack, let's check our example as well. Half of the students. Now students is what? Plural. Are coming this week. So verb is also what? Plural. Coming this week. Half of the class. Now class is what? Singular, collective, if you remember. So verb is also what? Singular, is coming this week. 50% of this goods, plural hai. So verb will be what? Plural, are perishable. 50% of the country is what? Again singular. That is the reason. Doesn't, singular verb, have electricity problem. So if I would have used countries over here, then don't I will use, because don't will be what then? Plural. Okay. So I hope you have understood the rules 6 to 10 also perfectly. And believe me, if you're able to do subject verb agreement, if you're able to master these rules, you don't need to mug up. You just need to apply your knowledge. That's it. And you can understand and apply the rules. You will be able to get full marks, believe me. It's just that it will help you out for spoken language as well. So pay attention. Any doubts you can write down. You can you can comment also. So I'll be always be happy to help you. So again I repeat, rule number 1 to 5 we have done in first video, and 6 to 10 we have completed today. I'll be coming with more rules, don't worry. For that, before I come for my next video, I want you all to be ready in the ready with the answers in the comment box to my questions. Like, I'm just giving you random questions, like for example, you have to frame few sentences as per the rules. Rule 1 to 10, you have to frame few sentences. Any of the 5 rule you will take it and just frame sentences in the comment box. Use the comment box and I'll tell you whether you have understood or not, and where you need more guidance, and I'll help you out. I will be really happy to do that. So I hope you all enjoyed the session of subject verb agreement part 2, and I'll be coming soon with my next part as well. So till then, keep learning, stay safe, stay happy always. Bye bye. Take care.